Bitcoin trades above $43,500, Ether stays below $2,300. The sandbox aims to make India its largest market. Vladimir Putin's signature brings digital ruble into Russia's tax code. Dubai regulator VARA sets a crypto precedent for the world to follow. 3AC founders slapped with $1 billion worldwide asset freeze. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. The virtual digital assets have sustained gains during the day, so far on hopes of favorable outcome from financial markets regulator. Securities and Exchange Commission held discussion with the BlackRock and Nasdaq official for second time this week to iron out discrepancies of the proposed spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. The key concern is settlement of contracts in cash and just in kind. BTC was trading at $43,869, up 2.3% in the last 24 hours. Ether was trading at $2,216, up 0.19% in a similar time span. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
US stock markets were set for a slightly weaker open Wednesday as investors gauged whether the recent stock rally inspired by the Federal Reserve can continue. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were down less than 0.1%. S&P 500 futures slipped 0.2% and Nasdaq Composite futures were down 0.3%. The IC 15 index barometer of top 15 tokens surged 1.8% to 54,977. While Bitcoin's price made an effort to climb above $44,000 mark during the day, but faced resistance once again. The sudden drop in US equities helped Bitcoin reverse previous day losses. The largest cryptocurrency was recently trading at $43,658, up by 1.9%. BTC's market cap has increased to $855 billion, while its dominance over the alts is currently 52.20%, an increase of 0.14% over the day. The cumulative market capitalization of all crypto assets surged 1.61% to $1.64 trillion. Well, some traders have suggested that current Bitcoin market matrix flashed signs of cooling down after a month-low or long rally. We are likely to encounter a period of low volatility ahead of the holidays. Most cryptocurrencies recorded gains on Thursday against the backdrop of somewhat somber market volatility. ETH was trading at $2,215, up by 0.34% in a similar time span. Binance BNB was trading 5% higher at $269. Next on the list, Solana Sol rose 11.2% to trade at $85.47. Solana has flipped XRP as the fifth largest crypto by market cap thanks to meme coin mania. While Cardano's ADA token gained 1.5% to trade at $0.60. And if we talk about Avalanche's AVAX token, it rose by 8.5% to $45.71, and Polygon Matic added 0.14% to trade at $0.78. So Polkadot rose 6.5% before trading at $7.46. And if we talk about Ripple's XRP token, it added 0.42% to trade at $0.61. While DogeCoin was 1.5% higher at $0.09 and Shiba Inu added 0.67%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Metaverse platform The Sandbox is aiming to make India its largest market within the next 2 years after entering the nation earlier this year through a joint venture with a local entity, a first from the subsidiary of Metaverse gaming and venture capital giant Animoca Brands. The joint venture between Brink, a global venture accelerator, and The Sandbox was announced in February 2023 and led to the creation of BharatBox, a cultural metaverse hub for India that encompasses Bollywood, India's famous Hindi cinema industry too. The Indian identity of The Sandbox is BharatBox, said Karan Keswani, CEO of BharatBox. Bharatverse is the Indian land on the Sandbox map. In the past 6 months, BharatBox has signed 25 Indian partners, including Eros Entertainment, Hangama, and Shimaru, 3 legacy media entertainment companies in Indian cinema. But the one partnership that Keswani expects will catapult into The sandbox's largest market is the one with CoinDCX, a prominent Indian exchange. BharatBox is also working towards bringing the wider portfolio of Animoca brands to India to provide other Web3 solutions such as ticketing and blockchain gaming. Russia's digital ruble has been integrated into the nation's tax code after its president Vladimir Putin signed the move into law. The tax code now contains a definition of digital ruble account and has rules for the taxation of transactions with the digital rubles. Russia has been pushing forward with its digital ruble in part as a means to circumvent financial restrictions in the form of sanctions imposed on it for its actions against Ukraine. Putin signed the digital ruble bill into law in July. The Bank of Russia has been working on the digital ruble as the central bank digital currency project since 2020. The new law will allow authorities to recover digital currency if the taxpayer does not have enough funds in their bank accounts. It also permits authorities to suspend transactions on digital ruble accounts and requires that the platform operator provide documents to reflect funds have been written off from the taxpayer's account. Russia's central bank has previously said that citizens and businesses should be able to use the CBDC at their own request starting 2025. The Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority, established in March 2022 to oversee Dubai's Web3 ecosystem, has released comprehensive crypto regulatory guidelines for virtual asset service providers in February 2023. The guidelines include 4 compulsory rulebooks, 7 activity-specific rulebooks for operating VASP, and 1 virtual asset issuance rulebook. These regulations only apply to market participants within Dubai, excluding those operating under the Dubai International Financial Center. VASP must obtain a license from WARA before offering their services and fulfilling all criteria. New and existing entities must obtain approval and a license before carrying out activities related to virtual assets. Firms not falling into these categories can directly register with WARA, while actively investing in virtual assets, and traders with a trading capital above $250 million must also register. Violations will result in fines between $5,500 and $55,000. The regulations also prohibit the issuance of privacy coins. The bankruptcy saga of Singapore-based cryptocurrency hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital continues to unfold, with the court freezing more than $1 billion of the founders' assets. A court in the British Virgin Islands has banned 3AC co-founders Zhu Zhu and Kyle Davis from transferring or selling assets worth up to $1.14 billion, according to the firm's liquidator, Teneo. The restriction also reportedly impacted assets owned by Davis' wife, Kelly Chen. Teneo said it estimated that 3AC creditors are owned roughly $3.3 billion in the aftermath of the hedge fund's collapse in 2022. According to Teneo, the worldwide freezing order was sought in conjunction with its allegations that the founders should be held liable for causing 3AC's position to deteriorate by an amount that is equivalent to the value of the freezing orders sought. The liquidator also noted that 3AC founders are subject to a domestic freezing order from the Singapore court. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Bitensor. KuCoin, a centralized crypto exchange, has officially announced its support for the peer-to-peer machine learning protocol crypto project Bitensor, also known as Tau. The exchange has started accepting Tau token deposits via its mainnet network and began trading on December 20th. The designated trading pair for Tau is the Tether USDT stablecoin. Users can withdraw their Tau tokens starting December 21st, which is today. Bitensor is a decentralized machine learning protocol that aims to establish a worldwide distributed and incentivized ecosystem through neural network interconnection. Initially conceptualized as a Polkadot parachain, it has since established its independent blockchain in March 2023 to reduce its dependency on the Polkadot ecosystem. KuCoin has previously listed other crypto projects with revolutionary goals such as SNS, the native token of Trend5 music platform Sonorous, and Script Network's Watch to Earn TV platform. The announcement demonstrates KuCoin's commitment to supporting the native token of P2P-focused platforms. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, an Ethereum-based meme coin, has partnered with D3 Global, an internet domain company, to bridge the gap between Web2 and Web3 ecosystems. The partnership was announced in the latest version of SHIB magazine, the 7th since its introduction. D3 Global, overseen by Fred Su and Cheyenne Rotsam, aims to establish a decentralized internet top-level domain name for users despite the current bearish sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu was trading up near 2% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have SCPT. Centralized cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin has officially announced a support for the watch-to-earn crypto project Script Network. The exchange will accept a Script Network tokens, which is SCPT token deposits, via the BNB Smart Chain network, allowing investors to transfer their tokens to the exchange. Trading of SCPT will begin on December 20th with the Tether USDT stablecoin as the designated trading pair. Users can withdraw their SCPT token on December 21st. Script Network is an open-source live TV platform protocol and storage network with Script TV at its core. The trading of SCPT will begin on December 20th and the users can withdraw their tokens on December 21st. Next on the list, we have Celestia. Celestia's native TIA token has experienced a meteoric rise by 685%, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of 2023 gains. This comes as Celestia's integrations with Polygon Chain Development Kit, also known as CDK. The social dominance score of TIA also rose by 294.6%, while social interaction reached 287.27 million. According to data from Luna Crush, TIA was trading at $12.54, down near 2% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have a Fusionist. Fusionist, also known as ACE token, has seen a 20% increase in value in the last 24 hours due to its recent listings on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance and OKX. OKX announced a listing of ACE USDT on its perpetual futures market, allowing users to trade ACE with a leverage of up to 50x. The ACE token, native to the Endurance blockchain, was added to the excitement surrounding Fusionist's Web3 game, set in a dystopian future. Binance Future also launched the ACE perpetual contract on its futures platform, showcasing the growing ecosystem of decentralized applications. The ACE tokens listing on OKX and Binance Futures further solidified its position in the cryptocurrency market. ACE was trading near $17, up near 30% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.